Hello everyone, welcome back to Linda Space. Today I got this amazing EDC Carabiner EDC tools. It is great skills I just want to carry every day, and it is the two main skills. And now we got this copper only carabiner multifunction EDC skills, timing 80. Yes, let us show you that 80 is assembled with 3 pieces. Okay, assembled in 3 pieces. So you will win the 3 tools at one time. Cool. The more functions shown here: bottle opener, screwdriver, set, and watch. 2.6-inch size and more. And here is a tiny saw. Okay, here's a tiny saw, and back is the sharp knife. Very practical and camping or auto adventures. Yes, there is a compact here. You are not lost way in anywhere else. Finally, the main functions: carabiner. Hand it to anywhere else you want. And a good hand feeling good. The nice EDC tools, special holding weight. Very comfortable, I think. Okay, don't forget the weight and the size. That is smaller than an iPhone. Portable one. Okay, I will text these functions. That means here is more than 10 functions. Whoa! So that is today's reviews of this multi-function copper carabiners EDC tools. It is a great gear. I just want to carry it every day. And what should you do if you got it, want it, or pass it on? You choice.